Right, to put in your handbag and take it into a pub and have gin in it, because who's going to think there's alcohol in there? Ah! Get it off, my God! Yes, no, it looks like the Hulk stuff, doesn't it? Hi guys, hope you're well. I'm going to do an empties video for you. It's my first ever empties video, and it's really weird because every time I throw something away, I think, oh, I can't throw that away, and I've got like tons of mess on my desk about things that I've kept so I can do my video, and I'm really looking forward to just chucking it away. Anyway, I've got a bolder lip on today. What do you think? It is Kat Von D. It's that stay thingy bob. Lolita 2. These things just don't budge. They really don't budge. Just to go with my pumpkin spice look. We don't, over in England, we don't really go. I think the Costa and the coffee shops do have some pumpkin stuff in them, but it's not a massive thing over here. So anyway, bold everything. Probably shouldn't have bold everything, but when you know, I'm changing it up. So anyway, without further ado, let's go through all of the things. And there's a couple of things in here that they're empties, as in they make my life empty, so I'm just not going to keep them. There are a couple of faux pas as well. So yeah, let's just crack on, shall we? It's Sunday again, and I'm racking through the content today. I've got a cracked tooth, so it's hurting. I do apologise if I sound a bit funny, because my mouth just keeps banging down on it. Anyway, right, the first one. These were Kiss lashes in, I don't know, Mousse. These were goddamn awful. I don't know where they are actually. I had a padding with them. The band was too thick, so that's empty. It's physically empty, and that's crap. I didn't like that at all, and I will never. I think I tried to use Kiss once before, and the trouble is with me, I never really learn from my lessons. I just repeat the same mistake. So, can you see the grey bits in my hair? Look, it's terrible. And I'm going on holiday in 2 weeks' time, less than 2 weeks, and I don't really know how it's going to look. I'm trying to show you, trying to just hide the fact that my hair's falling out, or breaking, or whatever it is. I'm using that Nioxin treatment. I keep saying I might do a video about it, but anyway, it's I'm not sure it's working, but it makes my hair really greasy. So anyway, let's go, shall we? Foam Mink Wispies. These were Ardell Demi Wispies. They are all gone now. I just had a bit of a throw out. I haven't used that many lashes. You know that the lashes that I use are about £8 each, and they last me typically about 3 to 4 weeks. So I think they're very good value for money. This stuff is like gin in my house. It disappears really quickly. I love this. I use this as my first cleanse. I take off my eye makeup and my face makeup off with one of these things here. I've shown you these before. These I'll link them down below. These are on Amazon. They're microfiber beauties. They're wonderful. So I use that with that, and then I go and I use, where is it? Here. This pure. This is it's rose scented. It's not very rose scented, but there is a hint of rose. This is like £12 or £13 from Marks and Spencer's. It was recommended by Caroline Hirons. This I use as my second cleanse. It's a balm, and you rub it all over your face, and then you mix it with hot water if you want, or warm water, and then you take it off, and it literally takes off so much more than you think. I'll link. Shall I try this? I will link a video here to my Get Unready With Me. I actually have got no idea how this is going to work because I've never done it before. And you can see me using this. It's just amazing, and it takes off after you've used the micellar water, because I used to use micellar wipes. Take off makeup, I think it was done. And then I started to put this on, or the Emma Hardy Meringue one, which I'm not really rich anymore, so I can't use that. So yeah, that's gone because I've got another one over there. Fantastic stuff. Another one of the Ordinary Glycolic 7% toning solution. I use this every single morning, every single night. It's amazing stuff. I actually think that my skin is better than it was when I started looking after it for about 4 years ago, and I think this is partially responsible for it. This is like £7 for 240ml. That's the same size as a large glass of wine. Yeah, wine's more expensive. Right, that's gone into recycling. This, now, you lot on YouTube told me this was brilliant. It's absolutely shit. It's like blowing air into your hair, and for me it does. I could spray like the whole can. It doesn't do anything. Well, yeah, okay, it made my hair look even greyer, but it doesn't. It actually smells really, really nice, but it's rubbish. Oil absorption without white. Bullshit. That's going in the bin. This stuff, St. Moritz matte wash off tan. This brand, I don't know if you have it in America, it's absolutely brilliant. Yes, no, it looks like the Hulk stuff, doesn't it? This, yeah. It's, the colour of it is so natural. It looks really yellow. It's not yellow. It's not yellow at all. It's so natural, and I literally, you know, just top up my tan in the mornings with a mitt, you know, and after a shower, take like 2 or 3 minutes just to rub it all over, and it, you know, there was never any streaky bits. I really love that. It's the only one I've ever had. My friend gave me that, Betty. So I'm going to purchase another one of those. Really like that one. And then I've gone through a whole one of these. This is the same brand, and this is the tannin mousse in medium. I had never fake tanned before, probably until about a year ago, and well, no, that's not true. I had, but I'd never used a mitt, and it was just like disaster, absolute disaster. And yeah, so someone said to me, "Oh, you need to get a mitt." Betty said to me, "You need to get a mitt." I'm like, right, okay, I'll get a mitt, and it was a flipping game changer. In fact, I've gone through 2 or 3 of them. They start to leak, and the inside of your hands go really brown, and you don't notice until it's too late. But that stuff is incredible. It really suits my skin tone. Even so, I've got like a fat bit here, like a line, and no matter when you go out in the sun or whatever you do, you always end up with that line there, and it tends to take that away, which is marvellous. I love that. So that's really good, and I bought 2 or 3 of them. I bought the express one. I put it on my leg, and I'm like, get it off! My God, it was literally like black. It was just so dark. I think you have to wash it off after an hour, or you can wash it off after 3 hours. But I lasted like 10 minutes, and I shit myself and jumped back in the shower again and took it off, because just like, I think I was going somewhere important, and I didn't want to look like stupid. Anyway, right, okay. This one is Curel Moisture Facial Milk. It's a little new one there. This stuff's amazing. I love it. I've just put it all over my neck. I put it under my eyes. I probably should get an eye cream. I know. I get quite dry up here, this bit, but then obviously this is like the grease. But yeah, this is fantastic, and I think it is actually for fundamental solutions for dry, sensitive skin. I don't have dry skin. I do have sensitive skin, but I'm really happy with that. Can't go wrong. Another one of these. This is Living Proof Perfect Hair Dry Shampoo. Now, is this the stuff that everyone was raving about? I think I picked this up in Sephora like 4 years ago. Dry shampoo. Just a pile of crap. Didn't do anything for me. Oh. Smells horrible. Don't like it. Yeah, I don't know. I think it left it looking really ashy and horrible. Maybe it's my application technique, but I don't think you can beat Bastis, the original one. That's much better. Now, my God, I look 100. Anyway, that's that one. Another one of these, little baby one, little travel one. I use these everywhere. These are really good. I'm just going to tell you, these are really good to put in your handbag and take into a pub and have gin in it, because who's going to think there's alcohol in there? It's, you know, a lady's prerogative to be carrying this kind of thing around with them. So these little sample size or little travel sizes are your friend. Many a time I've taken gin with me somewhere. I don't even drink gin, but needs must. Go on. Oh, and another one. See a little pattern here, can't you? This is the Ordinary 100% cold press marula oil. gone through one of those again. That's probably, I've probably had that for like 4 or 5 months. Love that stuff. That's brilliant. Sorry, hang on, I'll put that there because it's glass. Separate container. And the Ordinary Buffet. I'll link these down below. This again, you know, these few products, and actually they're all from the Ordinary. No affiliate links, unfortunately, from the Ordinary. They don't want to sponsor me. I haven't even asked them. I did ask Shein and they said no. So neither did Sephora or who's the other place? Ulta. No, so that was way all too complicated. Anyway, so yeah, so that's fantastic stuff. Multi-technology peptide serum. I'm making up words now. It can go into the glass recycling. This stuff. Okay, I ordered this from Amazon. Someone told me about it. It's a hairspray called Helmet Head. Extra firm hairspray. It is. Shall I do something really stupid now? Oh, yeah. So the squirty thing, I don't know if you can see, but it's like yellow. It looks like someone's peed all around it. It just does really weird things. But I'm going to do something silly because I think after this video I'm going to... What? Let's go now over there. Right. Let's spray it up my hair. And let's just show you how flipping helmety it is. If I put it on my hair. And let's have it up there. Okay, so that's how, oh, okay, but you know, you get what I'm saying, don't you? That's how effective this hairspray is. Oh, if anyone joins right now, they're going to wonder what's going on, aren't they? Right, anyway, so that's going in the bin because, you know, he wants to look like that any time now. Right. As far back as I can go. So yeah, so that's something about Mary. Should we just leave it like that? This one's better though. Glued. Schwarzkopf got to be glued. This is my go-to hairspray actually. I don't use a lot of hairspray. That's got to go in a different recycling thing. I don't use a lot of hairspray because my hairdresser said that it's like spraying plastic onto your hair and it makes it break. Anyway, right, this stuff, love it. Can't get enough of it. It's all over my body when I come out of the bath and when I come out of the shower. It smells amazing and I just can't get the last bits out. I do this thing where I like put it on top of the other one and then the last bit plops out or it doesn't plop out, or I just end up wiping my arms with this when I get out of the shower because waste not, want not, you know. And go in there. Physician's Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Bronzer. I'm going to call this Dead. Because look, you know, actually when it gets to around there, it tends to break, and I'm being really careful with my newer one because I don't want it to break. This stuff. Now, if you've got fine hair like me, you might like this. It's a powderful. Swatch got to be powderful, and it's like I left a little bit in there so I could show you. I don't know if you saw that. Whee. This looks like snow. Anyway, this stuff, it's like a fibre, and you put it into your hair at the roots, and it gives you voluminous texture and that kind of stuff. So, I wish you could see all these little bits flying around. It's really pretty. Yeah, so that's really good. I'm going to do a hair tutorial, and I'm going to show you how we use it. Having forgotten how shit that stuff was, I went and bought another one. This one's completely full. It's going in the rubbish. Urban Decay Primer Potion in Original. I eat through this stuff. Actually, that's not a lie. It probably lasts me a whole year. But yeah, so that's all died, all gone. Amazing. I've never found... Milani one was quite good. And then we said goodbye to these little beauties, didn't we? The Stila... what were they called? I did buy replacements for them before I did my Shein haul. These are like 20 quid each. They're really good, but they're not as good as the ones from Shein that are like £3. So I bought replacements of those. They're done. They literally dried out to nothing, disappeared. And then I've got a few more bits. Little baby one. This is my Rimmel Scandaleyes Black, my favourite inner waterline, water resistant eyeliner. I can't say nothing about these things. You need to get some. I'll rub that in a minute and you'll see. These are like £4 or £5 on Amazon. I have an affiliate link below. But they speak for themselves. I think someone's actually, that's how I got my 10 cents commission. Someone's actually bought one, but they're flipping amazing. My eyes water all of the time, and they stay all day. I mean, some of, you know, not all day as in they look perfect when you get home, but yeah, they are amazing, and they come in quite a few shades. So that's the end of that one, really, because by the time I got down the bottom, it's just wanting to do something different with this life. And then we've got the She Glam. That one's run out. I've used that one. They've all run out. And I've got 2 of these as well. They've run out. I think ash brown and light brown. Oh no, that one's still got some in it. I don't know what happened. I don't know how. It's trying to escape with the others. But yeah, so I bought replacements of those. I did that in a recent haul. So that's it. Look, all gone, all done. So that's all the stuff that I've used. It's kind of like, I feel like I need to do a favourites and fails, but that felt like it was incorporated in that. So yeah, that's all the things that are just going to makeup heaven. So yeah, thanks for watching. Oh, let's rub this. I'm hoping you can hear on my microphone how hard I'm rubbing that, and look, it hasn't shifted. That marks from something else, but just lick it. Hang on, let me see what I'm doing. It's budge. It's just budge proof. It's not coming off. It's amazing stuff. So yeah. Anyway, rub it with the flannel. It's still not coming off. Right. So yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you like my video, give it a thumbs up. That would really help the algorithm. And subscribe. Lots of you are watching my videos and not subscribing, or just tell me down below what I've got to do to get you to subscribe, because you keep coming back but you're not subscribing. And I know it's like, I subscribe to loads of people and I don't watch them. I think, why did I subscribe to them in the first place? But I don't actually remove them. Anyway, I'm waffling again. Thank you for looking at all my crap and my rubbish and stuff that I don't use anymore. How are we doing with this bit? Still, you can't really see it very well, can you? Anyway, yeah, have a great rest of the day, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you, bye.